I'm Shivangi Sarda. Welcome to Weekly Market Watch. And before we proceed, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for timely updates. Now, this week we've seen a sharp sell off. The bears had complete dominance over the market, and we've seen that there has been a lot of selling across the sectors as well. Now, talking about Nifty, we've seen that there was a small gap which has been filled, and the good part is that on the Friday session we saw some sort of recovery and stability coming to the market. So overall, it looks stabilizing from these levels, and we could watch out for 18,888 as a support level. On the upside, we're looking at 19,250 for the immediate bounce back move in Nifty. Now, talking about Bank Nifty, PSU banks have come to save the index, and we've seen that there has been some sort of stability here as well after an entire series of underperformance. So we could watch out for 43,300 levels over here on the upside, with 42,250 as a support level here. Now, talking about sector-specific action, we've seen that the entire sector across, the market, we've seen that there has been a lot of selling, and all the sectors have closed in red. But again, we are heading to the November series. The rollover figures are quite positive. For Nifty, we've seen 83% rollover, and for Bank Nifty, round about 80%, which is near and above its quarterly average. So overall, sectors look positive here onwards, and with the festivity kicking in, we could see some action in the auto space. So look out for this space. Other than that, we could look for some bounce back move in the PSU banking space and some of the mid-cap IT names. So these are the sectors to watch out for the next week. Now, thank you and see you again.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.